Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.6 question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 cm and breadth is 3 cm. Let us find the area of the rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle area of a rectangle we know that area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is the length of the rectangle? That is 5.7 centimeter. That is 5.7 centimeter. Into what is the breadth? Breadth is 3 centimeter. And since this is an area, therefore the unit will be square centimeter. Now multiply this number. That is 5.7 into 3. That is 321. 2 carry. That is 1. 5 3 15 plus 2 17. And here you see, after one digit there is a point on the left side. Therefore, you have to give one digit, the point after one digit. That is 17.1. Therefore, this will be equal to 17.1 square centimeter. Right? Therefore, here we find the area of the rectangle as 17.1 square centimeter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.